Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a Gantt chart in the Google Sheets. So the first thing that you need to do is go to this page docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and to easily create a Gantt chart, you can use the template in the Google Sheets. So here at the top there are a few g- template options, but if you cannot find the Gantt chart, you just need to click on the template gallery. So in here, scroll down until you find the Gantt chart template. Okay, this one's right here, Gantt chart. So click on the template and it will automatically open like this. And what you need to do next, you can just change the content. For example, you can change the project title here with your own project, for example, and then the manager's name like this, the company's name, and the date. Okay, I'm going to change into today's that. Okay, I'm going to just like this, for example. And after that, you can change here the timeline to your own project, so it will make you easier to create a Gantt chart for your projects. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.